That is not what a wet dog. I mean, what the? What's up, YouTube? It's the first day of Mechaween. I'm excited, and I just want to bring back on YouTube. You know, I know people have been missing it. I for sure been missing it. Honestly, I used to love these kind of videos, so I was just like, why not bring back the nostalgia and do a Bean Boozled challenge? And then I literally was like in the what store is that? Burlington, something like that. Ross, one of those stores. And I was in a line and I saw this. I was like, dang, that low-key would be a good video. This is the Halloween edition. Crazy. I'm so excited. But today I have a very special guest with me. Now I know he's a man. It's okay, y'all. Don't click off the video once y'all see him. All right, come on in. This is my boyfriend. I know y'all haven't had a formal introduction to him on my channel, I don't think. I've posted like a couple videos with him in the video, but yeah, this is my boyfriend. Then, you know, don't go follow him on Instagram. We're gonna be doing this together. Bro, why didn't y'all tell me my fit wasn't fitting? Dang, why didn't you tell me my fit wasn't fitting, actually?
What you mean it wasn't
You
fitting?
here.
Didn't how?
Cause the necklace wasn't out.
Oh,
that's
shit.
the whole part of the outfit.
I didn't even see the necklace, to be honest.
You see? Man. But he cool. It's okay, y'all. Don't click off the video, please. I know y'all be hating when girls like had their boyfriends in the video. Y'all be like, oh, I don't want to see this. So this is what it looks like. This is all over the place. Like, I felt like the box was gonna be shooken up.
This is about to be so nasty. I already know my first one gonna be dog or something, bro.
I feel like this is, oh my god, I'm really scared to get, what does it say? Liver and onion? Oh,
that's
no,
the one you worried about?
I thought that was literal liver. No, bro. Which one was it?
Out of all of...
Dead fish. I'm scared.
You're scared of liver and onion out of all the nasty stuff that's on there.
Dead fish?
Sushi.
But that's not the... A dead fish is a dead, rotting carcass. What do you mean?
They didn't say dead, killed in the alley fish.
Either strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. That's a crazy transition right
I like
there.
them odds.
Anyways, this little spinner that we're going to use.
Oh, so that's how you do it. You just... Oh, I ain't never seen the tray in person.
Yeah. It's really nothing crazy.
I told you them just in there.
I thought they were separated into little...
I told you, bro. They gonna try to keep it as cheap as possible.
I could have sworn, because I'm pretty sure when I did this with my mom, it literally like was separated. But oh my god, this is gonna be nasty as
that brown
fuck.
one's scaring the shit out of me.
What is that?
It's looking at me.
What
bro.
is that? Chocolate or doo-doo? Okay, you want to rock, paper, scissors, for who go first?
I suck at this, bro.
Come on. Okay.
Let me look at you. What do you look like you throw?
That's crazy.
Because you expect me to throw rock.
I don't know. I just always throw paper first. Okay. That
Wait,
was not.
No, let me do it for you. I'm gonna get you good.
I'm scared. What does it say?
Cappuccino, the liver and onion.
Oh my god!
What the hell? What's the difference between these two? Oh, is it the? Oh, it's the brown one.
Oh,
it's this one. Yes, this one.
Wait, no, we both have to take it though. I forgot we both have to do it.
Wait.
We spin it, then we both have to take one.
I ain't know that.
What's it supposed to do? Eat both?
I thought, shit, we just went back and I gotta eat every single one. And then I guess. Bro. You did not tell me that.
I forgot.
How you forget?
I'm scared. Okay. Three. You can't smell it. That's cheating.
It don't smell like nothing.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
What the is this? I can't tell if this is the good one or not.
Me neither.
Oh,
I really think that is the bad one.
That tastes like grandma's house.
It says, do have a trash can handy at all times. I'm dead. They even have an app. I didn't even read the inside of the box. This is what I be telling y'all. Like, I literally just be jumping straight into stuff. I don't read the stuff. I would just jump straight into it. Okay, I guess my turn to spin. Licorice or burnt rubber? That's not that bad.
That sounds tolerable.
That doesn't sound that bad. It can't be that bad. I mean, it's literally, but licorice and burnt rubber is both nasty though. That's not even good because they're both nasty.
Yeah, but like, why is licorice a good option though? Who the f eat licorice?
True.
Then black licorice at that.
If you eat licorice, I don't trust you. You gotta be white, like for real.
Damn.
3, 2, 1. Oh God, I'm scared. Bro! Again?
Is yours sweet in any way?
A little bit. But it tastes like a real tire. Like if you smell a tire, like after a car has rolled off, this is exactly what that tastes like.
It's interesting that they knew how to make this shit do this.
And why do we keep both getting the bad one?
This ain't fun no more. I'm scared of this old bandage. Oh, like what does an old bandage taste like though?
I guess we're gonna find out. One of us. Yeah, you suck. You just spent it. There ain't how many times you gonna spend it? Bro. I think it's the way you got it. They don't need to see it. They probably can't.
We eating strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish?
I'm not ready for this one. Like I literally feel myself about to gag right now. Bro, are you dead serious?
Which color is that one? Oh, it's this one.
It's kind of hard to tell. Please let me get a W. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh hell! Bro, they f***ing you got the bad one too? They bogus as hell. Are all of these bad? Get that.
It's still in my mouth. That shit's still in my mouth. Damn, lip gloss all on my shit.
You'll be alright. You was good.
What?
What? 3, 2, 1. I don't want to play no more. You ain't worried about it? What you mean?
Ain't worried about no boogers. Hey, yo, booger.
No, I don't want the one you touched. You got bad luck. Bro, it looks like a fucking booger.
This is definitely booger. What is the other one? Juicy pear?
That's the wrong one, right?
No, what's wrong? It's the only one that's good.
Oh my God, this better not be booger, bro. I don't even, like, what would this even taste like, though? Is my question. Like, if it is booger. 3, 2, 1. I just fall in my mouth.
Don't worry about no boogers. Don't worry about no boogers. Oh, what the It tastes like hot and jalapenos. That shit is nasty.
I won! Yes! I got pear! Oh my God, I got pear! Oh, I'm the favorite one.
That shit was way worse than the liver one.
Really? It was worse than that fish?
Way worse. That shit was way...
Bro, you're... You reminded me of that one cat meme.
I haven't got a single good one.
I literally was starting to believe that this thing was full of bad ones at that point. Bro, hold it upright. Why are you holding it that way?
Okay.
What's that?
Top banana. A wet dog.
Oh my God. I'm not scared of wet dogs because, like, I've smelt wet dogs so much in my lifetime. So it's just like, I feel like I already know what it tastes like. So it's really not that bad.
What the hell is this yellow one, though? Oh, that might be the top banana.
Okay.
I low-key want that yellow one. That yellow one might be just banana.
That's how they trick you. They make you believe that it isn't wet dogs, but it really is.
I have to brush my teeth after this shit. Bro,
This pear one isn't all that good, though. Like,
it's still something on my teeth.
Damn.
I'm not leaking that part of my mouth.
I want to know what it tastes like. Like, does it really taste like a booger?
No, it don't.
What does it taste like? I don't know what they boogers taste like.
Whoever booger tastes like that needs to go to the hospital. That is horrible.
Oh my God. I want to taste it now.
Avoid it. Like, you don't have to eat that one. You can go the rest of your life without knowing what that one tastes like.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Oh my God! What the That is not what a wet dog. I mean,
Fuck, you ain't eating wet dogs?
I literally smelled it. Like, that's not what it smelled like. Bro, I don't know which one was worse. That one or dead fish? That was nasty as hell. That's not what I expected.
That one is worse than dead fish, but that one isn't worse than booger.
But how is dead fish not the worst? It's literally dead.
Trust me, That is not worse than booger.
Should be the worst one.
You could smell this one. I still smell this one in my mouth. Like I could smell it with my mouth.
I like how we get different ones every single time. That's crazy. Toasted marshmallow or stink bug? Bro, this better not be stink bug.
And like, I want this to taste like s'mores, Pop-Tart so bad.
You know what you deserve there?
I don't want this to be stink bug. I can't even like imagine what that tastes like. What does a stink bug taste like?
2, 1.
No.
You got stink bug?
Bro. Ew. It crept up on me. I thought I had a normal until I started tasting some. I don't know. Ugh.
Mine was delicious.
Really?
I had marshmallow. I'm so not excited for stinky socks. Like, I swear to God.
I don't think that one's gonna be that bad, honestly. This probably just gonna taste sour. Pomegranate or Old Bandage?
Oh my God.
We do that one, right?
Let's go. Let's swap.
No.
I think I got the magic touch.
No, I got faith this time.
You got faith this time?
I got faith.
All right. All right, mine good. You don't be looking stupid. Okay.
I swear if yours is good, bro. Like, what would Old Bandage even taste like, though?
I mean, I don't feel like it would taste bad. I feel like it would just taste like blood.
I think I know what it tastes like. If it tastes like pennies.
Most likely. Ready?
Yeah. Bro, I keep getting the bad ones. Bro, I don't want that to come in contact with my tongue ever again.
Oh my God, it's just getting worse.
Literally.
Bro, I literally just had to chew because I couldn't tell. Because at first it was like, is this supposed to be good? Because I don't even know what a pomegranate tastes like.
And not that.
And I just let it, bro. Oh my God, it tastes like an old, like it really does.
Paper towel. At the end of it, we should put a bunch of them in our mouth.
Ew.
Let me do that. Is that peach or barf? Let me guess it's this one.
This shit not funny no more. That's strawberry.
This one?
It's the light, yes. Look at you trying to cheat, trying to get strawberry. Your ass would have been looking stupid if it was dead fish again. Why peach or barf though?
Yeah.
Like, where did barf come from peach? 2, 1. Oh my God!
Bro.
Bro, that shit really tastes like...
That was nasty.
Once you throw up, and then like, you get that sick taste in your mouth after.
Nah, bro, that shit tastes like pure throw up.
Look at y'all got me doing, bro. Leave a like for that. And a comment. And subscribe. For real.
And join the Patreon. Those who know.
Right.
We got Tutti Frutti.
Or Tutti Booty.
And Baby Blue. Or Blueberry Blue. Yeah.
What?
This one should be a palate cleanser.
2.
That's toothpaste. Huh.
This isn't bad though.
Yeah. It's
like, I don't want to swallow it though because it tastes like toothpaste.
6, 7. We got stinky socks. That's it.
Oh my God. We should have did toothpaste last. Bro, I'm eating toothpaste again.
Let's do, for this one, you gotta like really bite down on it.
I've been doing that this whole time.
You gotta keep it in your mouth for more than 3 seconds.
She got my nose running.
My nose running too.
Alright, this one for y'all. For real. 2, 1.
Wait.
I ate that! Hey!
No.
What is that? Oh, it's Tutti Frutti. You got stinky socks? Bro, did you get a good one at all?
No.
Well, that concludes this disgusting ass
6,
video.
7.
See, you got me that concludes this disgusting. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Don't ask me to do this again. And see y'all next Friday for Halloween.